Zoom, 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 zoom. World. Habai folks. Wabel kabum tubo zubum world. Maba nabam ubis dubba yobble. That means my name is Noel. Welcome to Zoom World, a fun-filled YouTube channel dedicated, or should I say devoted, to the PBS Kids show Zoom. Well, I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be bringing to you a Zoom play. This time it's going to be from Season 4. I've decided to advance to higher seasons now. And I'm going to 1974 for a Season 4 play. And it's going to be featuring two of the Season 4 Zoomers, Harvey Reed and Andrae Gamboa. Yeah, I'm calling Andrae by her current last name since my sources say it's Nielsen, but I can't really jump to any conclusions and what have you, so I'm sure she understands. Okay, who of course that happens to be the Zoomer I'll be spotlighting, which will be coming up tomorrow. Okay, for her, which, and of course that's gonna be her birthday. So anyway, this is an absolutely fun-filled play. I'm sure you know of the Angry Birds, but this isn't what it is. No, 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 no. This is a little something that is absolutely very funny, and I gotta tell you, Andre's really funny in this, and Harvey is too. So here it is. I bring to you from the fourth season of Zoom. Here's the Arguing Birds. Enjoy!
Mama, I want to go out and fly around with some of my friends.
You're not going anywhere, Seymour, till you finish your work. Make Mama happy.
Mama, I'm a big man now. I want to go.
You're not leaving this place till you finish your work. Don't you want to go out to be a big sparrow, Seymour?
You get it? I want to go be a big eagle.
Eagle! Eagle's a ball. Now eat your worm.
I want to fly really fast, like the birds that carry people. How can they fly so fast, Mama?
You fly fast too if your tail was on fire. Come on, eat the worm.
Eat your worms, eat your worms. That's all you ever say. I want a fake Newton.
What is that?
I'm not sure, but I saw it on the humans' television.
Television? Didn't I tell you never to watch that television? It's bad for you.
Oh no, Mama. Many humans say TV is for the birds.
TV is for the birds. Whom are you going to believe? Some stranger or your own mama?
But
I told you no, and that's that.
nag, nag, nag. That's all you ever do.
Yeah, Seymour. And where are you going to go?
Goodbye, Mama. He's gone. My baby's gone.
And he even finished his work.
Hi, Mama.
Seymour, where have you been?
All around, chirping with the guys, watching some TV.
Oh, where did I go wrong?
I think I know we went wrong, Mama. They had a show about us birds on the TV, and Mama, sparrows don't eat worms.
Sparrows
Right.
don't eat worms? Now, I've heard just about everything.
I said, Mama, they don't.
In point of actual fact, sparrows don't eat worms.
I told you.
They eat green buds.
Oh.
Yes, and plants.
Oh.
And sunflower seeds.
Hey.
Juicy. Sparrows, most emphatically, do not eat worms. Oh, yeah? I'm a sparrow. Hit my wings, give me a word, and I show you that sparrows eat worms. Sparrows don't eat worms. Told you, Mama.
There you have it, the Arguing Birds. Yeah, I forgot to point out Tommy's in this. Anyway, yeah, very funny play. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I didn't want to try and get my laughter in on this time because it's pretty funny. And like I say, I absolutely really enjoy the performances Andre and Harvey gave. Tommy was really good to point out that sparrows don't eat worms. Yeah. All right. Enough said. Anyway, What did you think of this play? You can let me know in the comments section. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe, be a part of Zoom World. And stay tuned for my next Zoomer Spotlight on Andrae. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, consider checking out these other Zoom plays I recently got on the channel. The upper left-hand corner, is the Zoom play on Reels, the first ever play of the week. The upper right-hand corner is the one I did on Sea of Terror. And the bottom left-hand corner is Late Date. And the bottom right-hand corner is the button you can click to subscribe. If you are into this great PBS Kids Classic series that is Zoom, then this is the channel for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is your friend Doyle saying, see ya.